Yo guys, Brisk here. Today we're going to be diving into Coinbase, which is a— To the moon! Shut up, Elon. Coinbase offers users with secure ways to invest and trade over 25 different cryptocurrencies, including Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Dogecoin. Its primary revenue driver is charging customers transaction fees, followed by its subscription features. With the recent hype in cryptocurrency, it's really no surprise that Coinbase is a solid company to look at for the long term. Let's dive right into charting. You guys know the drill. We've covered all of these topics in previous videos. Looking at the chart on the 4-hour time frame, we can see the entire picture, since Coinbase hasn't been on the market that long. Let's go ahead and grab some key levels using the price level feature. We can get the absolute top, the absolute bottom, and find some key levels in between. Once we've figured out our key support and resistance levels, we can start to analyze the pattern of the chart. Now, keep in mind, pattern recognition will not help you predict the future price level. It will only give you the information you need to execute your trade better. From the overall chart, it's pretty easy to determine that the equity is forming a rounding bottom pattern. You can quite clearly see the rounding bottom over here. Rounding bottom patterns are usually bullish patterns where the price generally breaks out after the formation. The key level I'll be looking at is this consolidation range over here. If Coinbase can use this level as a support, it will more than likely reach the upper 300 levels again. In the short term, I'm looking at this key consolidation range over here. Prior to the bullish breakout for this rounding bottom pattern, we want to make sure that this equity will break out of this upward consolidation. Long story short, don't short. Let's switch gears and look at the company financials. If you guys have seen the Yahoo Finance analysis series, you guys know exactly what I'm going to be doing here. Under the statistics section, I'm noting the fact that Coinbase has a current market cap of around $53 billion, which has halved since its IPO. Coinbase's profit margin is 36.8%, and it has an operating margin of a whopping 59%. Talk about them transaction fees. Scrolling down a little bit more, I want to note the amount of cash that it has per share, which is around $9 to $10. Its debt to equity ratio is around 23, which suggests that the company is taking on a significant financial risk. However, in a speculative company, I like to see that figure high, because although there is a significant risk, there's significant reward potential. I'm also noting the fact that the current ratio is 1.2. This means that Coinbase's assets are 1.2 times its liabilities, which slightly justifies the high debt to equity ratio right here. Lastly, on the right-hand side of the table over here, notice how Coinbase has around 142 million shares outstanding, and only 4.2 million of those shares are short. This indicates that the company does not have much short interest, which is really good for investors who are long on Coinbase. All of that aside, you must know your risks when investing in Coinbase. Keep in mind, this is a cryptocurrency exchange platform, so if crypto gets banned, Coinbase is going to tank because of the lack of a revenue driver. I really want to see how Coinbase diversifies itself to become less dependent on cryptocurrency transactions as a primary revenue driver. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like if you enjoyed, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Brisk out.